Regular expressions are used to compare whether text matches a pattern. For example, pattern phone number or email address template. Let's imagine that we have a phone number of type string, phone number, and the next with code of country, this number, and let's add some redundant symbols, parentheses, for example, dash, dash, dot, and spaces. And another task is quickly remove all unnecessary characters except numbers and print it. S out for printing, and in every string there is a method replace all. Replace the one character to one character set, but replace all match take a regular expression. Yes, string regular expression and replacement. So in regular expression we can specify the numbers, for example 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, and we can specify the square brackets and use numbers from 0 to 9, all 0, but it will replace except numbers, not numbers, but except numbers. For we just specify not, this symbol not, and not 0 to 9 symbols, and these symbols we must replace, we must delete it, replace all. So if we run our program, we can see that the program deleted characters, all characters except numbers, on unnecessary characters. So we can see only numbers. It was reached by a regular expression, this template of string. Replace all these symbols, empty string, empty. Symbol square bracket, it means range of symbols from 0 to 9. And this not means except all symbols 0 to 9 except. So it remain these symbols from 0 to 9, but delete all other symbols, something like parentheses, spaces, dashes, and dots, and other symbols which match this expression. If you need this dot at the end, you can write it like this. Just write dot. But the dot is a special character and it needs to be escaped. Just write this slash, and slash is a special symbol and it needs to be escaped too. So double slash. Okay, and if we run our program, we can see that a dot is leave our result. Yes, our numbers and dot. Let's look other example with email address. For example, we have some email address. This is string, Aslan, some numbers at gmail.com. And we need to check whether this address is valid or not. For this, we can write the method is valid email and send this to this method. Create this method. This is will static method void boolean is valid true or is valid false. String method email and return some boolean value. Okay. Firstly, for checking, let's create a pattern. Pattern from this package Java util regular expression regex pattern from method compile from this class compile vs. It take a variable for regular expression compile, and here we specify our regular expression. So we need some a set of symbols. For this we specify square brackets from A to Z. Also we can use numbers from 0 to 9. Enter the add. If this symbol is necessary, we can specify question mark for one time, or if this is not exist, this is plus if we can see one or more add symbols. Also we can use asterisk if for not add or a lot of add. For one add, yes, but we need only one symbol add, so we can remain this version, and this must be gmail.com. This is pattern A from Z, A from Z. Okay, and we need to create a matcher for check the match our this email of for our pattern. Matcher from the same package java.util.regex matcher, and just invoke from pattern method matcher and use some sequence of char sequence, this email for example. Okay, and it must return true or false. Oh no, we need to invoke from matchers method match, which will return matches dot method match, which will return true or false, and we can print the results of invoking this method. Okay, let's run our program. False, not false. Oh, this is not one symbol. This is symbols, a lot of symbols. So we can use plus for one or more symbols. Also asterisk for 0 or no symbols 1. It's must be enough. Run our program. True. Now true. That's right. And also this construction we can replace with the word. So this is means word. Let's run our program. Word, but W is a special symbol. It must be escaped. So word. Okay. Word. True. Yes, that's right. Good job. See you in the next lesson.